Hello, my name is Julian West, and today I will talk about pipe joint lubrication and why it's so important. So, why do we need it at all? Pipe joint lubricant is generally necessary for push-fit spigot and socket joints to reduce rubber to pipe surface friction, thus lowering the seal's resistance to be deformed into the annulus of the joint and reducing the overall insertion force required for assembly. It sounds simple, but without lubricant, the seal may become displaced, causing leakage, and in extreme cases, a displaced seal can become trapped in the joint, overstressing the socket and causing fracture. Like any form of lubricant, there are good quality ones, and there are those not so good quality ones. So to be successful, the lubricant must not attack the rubber or the pipe material. It must be easy to apply, and it must reduce friction and minimize jointing force and pushback, which is when a joint opens slightly once the jointing force has been removed. It's also important that any lubrication used on site is fully biodegradable. Mineral-based oils and greases should be avoided as they attack the rubber, leading to softening and swelling of the surfaces. I've even encountered sites when engineering lithium-based grease used for lubricating the excavator's linkages has been used by the pipe layers in the joints. And the pipe layers were very enthusiastic to tell me just how effective this was. Please don't do this. Avoid engineering mineral oils and greases. They will damage the rubber seal. For most smooth wall plastic pipes, joint lubricants may be gels, or for very small pipes, they may be even sprays. And remember, it's important to use drinking water approved lubricants for drinking water applications. Lower cost lubricants may be based on tallow fat, fatty acid soap, or a combination of the two. However, in my experience, the most effective and environmentally responsible lubricants are always vegetable oil based. Trelleborg lube is rapeseed oil based. It is a relatively high viscosity, golden coloured grease that sticks to wet or dry concrete, clay, plastic, GRP and rubber surfaces. It's effectively waterproof and doesn't wash off or dry out quickly. It can be used from -20 degrees all the way up to +50 degrees Celsius. And being vegetable oil based, it is completely biodegradable. There are different configurations of pipe joints. Some have the seal mounted on the spigot, and some have the seal integrated into the socket. It may seem obvious, but it's important to apply the lubricant on the correct surfaces of the joint. So it's equally important to be familiar with the relevant jointing instructions before starting your work. That's all for today, and if you have any questions, please get in touch.